Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're into flower crafting or candle making or just love a little creativity, you're in the perfect place. I'm so happy you're here with me today because we're doing something truly special. Now, before we begin, I want to say, if you're new here or haven't seen my earlier videos, don't miss out. In those, I've given you step-by-step tutorials on how to make all kinds of flower candles. But for today, I wanted to switch things up. Instead of a regular tutorial, I'll be sharing something magical. You see, the process of making flower candles is pretty similar for all designs. So once you've watched a few of my videos, you'll feel confident enough to create any kind of flower candle. That's why I thought, why not do something different? While I craft today's flower, I'm going to tell you an incredible story from Greek mythology. Are you ready? Today's story is about Aphrodite, the goddess of beauty, love, and passion. Her tale is filled with magic, drama, and unforgettable moments. So sit back, relax, and let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what we'll need for the crafting. To create the petals, I'll be using this teardrop-shaped cutter. This tool is fantastic because it gives me perfectly shaped petals every single time. Once the petals are cut, we'll shape them using a ball stylus. This little tool works wonders for adding curves and making the petals look realistic, just like they're fresh off a flower. All right, while I start shaping these petals, let me tell you the story of Aphrodite. You're gonna love this. Aphrodite wasn't born like most gods and goddesses. Oh no, her birth was extraordinary. Legend has it that there was a great battle among the gods. Uranus, the father of all gods, was overthrown by his son Cronus. In the aftermath, Uranus's body fell into the ocean. And from the sea foam, Aphrodite emerged, radiant and breathtakingly beautiful. Can you imagine that? A goddess born from the waves, stepping onto the shore while flowers bloom at her feet. She wasn't just the goddess of beauty and love, she was also connected to nature itself. Wherever she went, plants and flowers seemed to flourish, as if enchanted by her presence. One flower closely tied to Aphrodite is the red rose. Have you ever wondered why red roses symbolize love? It's because of her. According to legend, Aphrodite was running to save her lover, Adonis, when she stepped on a thorn. Her blood fell to the ground, and from it, the first red roses bloomed. A flower born from both love and pain. It's such a powerful symbol, isn't it? Now, while I keep working on this flower, let me share another captivating tale about the Narcissus flower. Narcissus was a young man of extraordinary beauty, so beautiful, in fact, that everyone who saw him instantly fell in love. But Narcissus, well, he was different. He cared for no one except himself. One day, while wandering through the forest, he came across a pool of water. And there, in the still, clear surface, he saw his own reflection for the first time. He was mesmerized. He stared at himself for hours, unable to look away. The more he gazed, the deeper he fell in love with his own image. Days turned into nights, and Narcissus refused to leave the pool. Eventually, he wasted away, consumed by his own vanity. And in the place where he died, a beautiful flower bloomed, the narcissus, or daffodil. This flower became a symbol of unfulfilled love and self-obsession, a reminder of the dangers of loving oneself too much. Isn't that a hauntingly beautiful story? All right. Back to our flower. As you can see, I've started adding the petals one by one. This part always feels magical, watching the flower come to life, petal by petal. You know, crafting flowers like this always reminds me of these myths. There's something so enchanting about turning simple materials into something so beautiful. It's almost like we're bringing a piece of those ancient stories to life with every petal we shape. Now, let me ask you, do you have a favorite myth or story? I'd love to hear it. In fact, here's an idea. Why don't you share your favorite stories with me in the comments? Who knows? Maybe your story will inspire my next video. All right, this flower is almost done and it's looking absolutely stunning. I hope you've enjoyed today's storytelling and crafting session. If you love the story of Aphrodite and Narcissus, let me know in the comments. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell icon so you'll always know when a new video is out. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one with more crafting, more stories, and more fun. Bye for now.